Hello, my name is Julia, and this is Space Daily News channel. NASA's super pressure balloon with a large telescope on board officially completing its first trip around the world. In the middle latitude, since launching on April 15 from an airport in New Zealand. A map of the world shows the balloon's starting and ending points, as well as its entire subsequent route. The round-the-world flight lasted just 10 days, 3 hours and 15 minutes at an altitude of about 32,000 meters. But this was not the end of the mission. The balloon continues its journey today, maintaining a stable altitude despite the cooling and heating with the change of the time of day. The balloon has a Super Pressure Balloon Imager Telescope, or SuperBIT, on board, with which scientists make observations. The advantage of observing from a height of 30,000 meters is that at such an altitude the atmosphere is very thin, and therefore the distortion of the observations is much lower than when observing from the surface. The SuperBIT telescope takes pictures of galaxies in the visible to near ultraviolet spectrum. That is approximately within the capabilities of the Hubble Space Telescope, but with a wider field of view. The goal of SuperBIT is to map dark matter around galaxy clusters by measuring the curvature of space around them. The SuperBIT telescope weighs 1,580 kilograms. Its primary mirror is 50 centimeters in diameter and uses an 18.8 million cubic feet balloon filled with helium, the size of an inflated soccer stadium, to lift it into the stratosphere. The telescope recently obtained a detailed image of the antenna galaxies, two large interacting galaxies located 60 million light-years from Earth in the Chorus constellation. In addition to the first scientific balloon program project, NASA plans to launch another ultra-high-pressure balloon from the same airport to further test the technology and make scientific observations. The second balloon and its payload will allow astronomers to study ultra-high energy cosmic particles coming from other galaxies and interacting with Earth's atmosphere. Both balloons are expected to fly about 100 days. Scientists believe that ultra-high-pressure balloon technology will enable advanced scientific research at the edge of space at a fraction of the cost of a flight into space. Space Daily News. Like, share, and subscribe.